In this example, we use CloudExtend for Salesforce to retrieve a list of contacts in our Salesforce account that don't have any accounts associated with them. So in this case, you can see behind the scenes, the important field to pull into the template is the account. So I've got that here as well as a few other contact fields. So I'm going to go ahead and load this template. This will put my field names as columns. Again, here is the account. I'll go ahead and click on Edit Filter because I want to make sure that I have a data filter applied here to bring in contacts only where the account field is empty. So I'll go ahead and click Save. And now I can click on Download. And you'll see right away, just like that, these are all the contacts in my Salesforce instance that don't have accounts associated with them. Now, in this case, I know these are all UOG, so I'm going to come over into here, view on the pick list values, and these all belong to United Oil and Gas. So I can very easily just come in here just like this. Now I've got 7 accounts or 7 contacts that I want to push back. I'm going to go ahead and click on Update and choose All Rows. Now I'm going to associate each one of those contacts with the parent account, United Oil and Gas. It's that simple.